Okay, let's start to read it. Yes, Morton, yes.
I just want to, I had prepared a much longer introduction, handwritten, and of course, I totally forgot to add it to the one that was sent out. So I just want to give a little bit
Maybe you can read it to us, Maurice.
I don't
Just
have it here next to
Ah.
me, but I just wanted so people can understand the context of the song. Kaczynski was in Vilna, and in the Vilna ghetto, it may seem hard to believe, but there was an effort to keep cultural activities alive, because it was important for the morale of the Jews living in the ghetto under Nazi oppression. So they tried to keep concerts alive, choruses, theater productions, and there was a librarian, his name was Koch, his first name, Hermann Koch was a librarian in Vilna, and he was a Bundist activist. And when he was forced into the ghetto, he did everything he could to keep the library alive, to keep Jews interested in ideas and in books. And he kept a diary. Eventually, he was murdered, but they found the remnants of his diary in his last days were spent in a concentration camp in Estonia, and he had buried the diary underground. And after the Soviets came and drove out the Nazis, they found it, and his diary was annotated, and it was published and translated into a book called The Last Days of the Jerusalem of Lithuania. And in there, he talks a lot about the various cultural efforts that the Jews were trying to maintain. And so this song that Kaczynski wrote, it's about his wife. His wife, Barbara, was murdered in 1942. And he wrote this song with Avram Brudno, and he performed this song about his wife in the ghetto, in a public, in the theater. He sang this song. So I just wanted to put it in context.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So let's start read the English. Janet, please.
Avram Brudno and Shmerka Gazurginsky were fighters in the Vilna Ghetto's United Partisan Organization. Kaczynski's wife, Barbara, was murdered by the Nazis in April 1943. They wrote the song Frühling, Springtime, in her memory. After the Nazis liquidated the ghetto in September 1943.
Hola, Natán, buenos días.
Yeah. Go
on. They deported Brudno and other survivors to concentration camps in Estonia, where he died. Kaczynski fled to the woods with other partisans and continued to attack the Nazis alongside Red Army units. After the war, Kaczynski went on to collect and publish hundreds of songs from the ghettos and camps, including some he had written himself.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Elaine, would you like to start reading?
Ich plunge in Ghetto, von Gessel zu Gessel, und kenn nit gefinnen kein Ort. Nito ich mein, is mein Lieber, wie truckt men arriber. Menschen, sucht Gott a Wort. I wander in the ghetto from lane to lane and can't find a place of, I guess, comfort solace. My beloved is not here, isn't here anymore, no more. How can I bear it? How can one bear it? I don't know how you would
That's
translate
good.
that.
Yeah. How can I go on? How can
Yeah.
one go on? Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People just say a word.
Okay.
Mention, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
people just say a word. I'm not sure how that,
He's saying, how can I go on? People, tell me how.
oh, just say,
Just tell me how
got
can I
it,
go on?
got it,
He's
got it.
wandering the streets
Tell me how I
and
can,
he's
yeah,
thinking of Barbara, who just died months before.
got it, got it.
Can you continue, Elaine?
Sure. Es leicht auf mein Heim itzt, der Himmel der Bläuer. Woje hab ich itzt davon? Ich steh wie a Bettler bei jedweden teuer und bettel a bissele Sonn. My house is aglow now, the blue sky or the sky, the blue one, I don't know. What is now left for me? I stand like a beggar at each gate and beg for a bit of sun.
Okay,
Good.
thank you. Maurice, you have anything to add?
No, that's good. That's fine.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Morty.
Yeah, I would translate the third line as what do I get from it? Or
Right.
what do I have from it?
That's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Mhm.
Okay. Michael Moore, can you continue? Before that, Barbara, yes.
So could you give me the word yet vedden? So that I was looking, I tried to find it. I'm sure I've seen it many times, but I didn't recall.
It's an old,
you
it's
say
an
it means each?
old-fashioned word.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's an old,
It's an old,
it's an old-fashioned word. It's like jede teuer.
yeah,
Jedweden.
okay.
It's an old word.
Okay, thank you.
So Michael Moore, please, if you can continue.
Ja, es leicht auf mein Heim jetzt der Himmel der Bläue.
Michael?
Wait, we did
No,
that.
no.
Can you
no.
hear me?
The next one.
Feeling, nemsu.
Oh, yeah. Is there we are. Oh, okay. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring mein Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügelbläue, oh, nimm mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. So springtime. I'm gonna say nimm zu mein Treue. Bring me or bring back.
No.
Well, nemsu is to take away.
Take
oh,
away.
I
Take
see.
away.
Okay. Take away my take away my sadness and bring my loved one, my what is trying?
It's the same thing. It's beloved.
Okay,
And
and bring
Liebsten,
my
my Taya, my
beloved
beloved.
back to me. Springtime. Take my heart on your blue wings or blue wing and bring it and bring my happiness back.
Messages home phone.
Sorry?
I think that's Susan.
Somebody
Okay.
talking, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Maurice, you want to add anything?
No, it's fine. It's okay.
Okay. Michael, continue if you can.
Okay. Ich gehe zu der Arbeit vorbei unser Stiebel und in Treue der Teuer vermacht. Der Tag zerhälter die Blumen verwelkte, sie wianen, für sie ist euch Nacht. So I go to work. I going by our stiebel, passing by our stiebel. In Treue, der Treue vermacht. In sadness, the gate is closed. The dates, what's Zehelter?
It's the day is dawn. It's getting brighter.
Oh, okay. The day is the day gets brighter. The flowers, verwelkt. I don't know that.
They're faded.
Okay, the flowers, they're faded. The flowers are faded. And I don't know Vianen.
So they're fading away.
Oh, they're fading away. For them, it's also nighttime.
Good.
Okay, thank you. Any questions until now? No. Okay,
Yeah,
so let's
yeah, I
continue.
do. I forgot. I didn't have a chance to do the hand thing. Vianen, wilted.
Wilting,
Wilted.
fading away.
Okay.
In the
Yep.
previous stanza, where it's Tryon, isn't tire? I mean, isn't it tire?
Where?
Padir?
No.
Droyer?
No,
No, Tryon. Tryon. Like
Troye
mein
is-
Tryon
is-
mein
zurück.
Trying
Troye
so
is
big.
grief. It's sadness.
No, before.
No, Trying.
Here
No,
in
no.
Troyer?
Troye.
No.
No.
On the third
No.
line on the last slide.
I think he's asking about Tieren.
No.
Where
Not,
do you
not
see it?
that, not that slide.
Go back one.
This
There you
one?
go.
There it is.
Big line.
Mein
Third
Line.
Tryon.
What's Tryon? Shouldn't that be
Beloved.
Tryon? That with the resh.
Here,
Yeah,
Tryon,
it's
mein
beloved,
Tryon.
my dear one.
But-
Yeah, in the
Okay.
dictionary, it's Getryen or Getraya. Means the same thing. Dear one.
You found it in the
Dear one.
dictionary?
Beloved.
I couldn't
Yeah,
find it.
it said go to Getraya. That's what it said, go to
I couldn't
Getraya.
find
My brother always says mein Getreie Schwester.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, Getraye Schwester,
Yeah,
Cookie, read.
Mein Getreie Schwester, ja.
Cookie, go on.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, it's called Farnacht auf zu Quebeces.
Zurückwegs,
What is that?
Wait.
on the way back.
Zu Quebeces.
Zurückwegs.
Es nimmt der Treue.
Es neuet, es
Treue.
neuet der Treue.
It carries the sadness on the way back.
No, neuen is like an English word gnaw. It eats at him. It gnaws at him.
Oh.
Grief is just
Es nimmt es der Treue. Okay. Thank you. Hast du bist der gewahrt?
gewahrt.
I don't understand that one.
You know what, Cookie, just read it and Maurice will translate it, okay?
Einem Schotten noch kennst du dein Trott
Is
gave me the hardest one.
Sorry, they're all difficult.
The first one I know how to sing.
Sorry.
Flex cushion mehr lieblich und zart.
Yeah, good. Okay, so Maurice, please. Cookie,
Okay,
sorry,
so-
the song is difficult to read, so I'm sorry.
right.
Maurice.
So Farnacht auf Zurückwegs, in the evening, coming back. This neuet der Treue, the grief just eats at me. Und du hast du liebste gewahrt. Right here, beloved, that's where you used to wait. Und du in dem Schatten, right here in the shadows. Noch kennt ich dein Trott is. So this is inverted. It's dein Trott is noch kennt ich. Your steps are still, he can still feel them. He's still as if she were still there. Kentik can feel them, or he can still hear them in his mind. Pflegst kuschen mich lieblich und zart. You used to kiss me lovingly and tenderly.
Okay. Yeah, it is a difficult line. So you think you can do it? This will be easier, Cookie?
I don't know. Frühling, Frühling, nimmst du mein Treue und bring mein Liebste, mein Teilen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläuen, und nimm mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. I know how to sing that. That's why I'm saying it so well. I know it by
Yeah.
heart. Yeah.
Yeah, so we already translated it.
I think I
so-
could freely bring back my beloved, and bring my beloved back to me. Mine, trying to yeah, the whole thing is bring back my beloved to me. All 3 lines, right?
Yes?
Basically, Frühling und deine Flügelbläuen and spring, your birds are flying. Is that it?
No, it's
Please
like
don't-
he's addressing springtime as if it were a blue bird.
Oh, I
Like
see.
Deine Fliegel bläue,
Oh.
springtime on your blue wings.
On your blue wings, okay, same thing. And bring my beloved, and bring us to mein Glück, and bring my beloved back, and bring back my joy.
Nimm mein Herz mit, take my heart with you and
With
bring it to my
Bring
joy.
back, bring it to my joy, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's continue to read it.
A shame
So-
time.
Okay, so Claire, can you read, Claire?
Ja, es ist Jahr der Frühling go früh angekommen. Zu blieb hat sich Bänkschaft nach dir. Ich seh dich wie Itzter. Excuse me. Ballotten mit Blumen, a freudiger gehst du zu mir. Okay, es ist Jahr der Frühling. What is Hayor?
This
It
year,
is
This year.
okay, them here. Okay, so the spring this year, go free angekommen came very soon. Se bliet hat sich Bänkschaft noch dir. And the to miss the what is the noun for missing?
longing.
Longing. Okay, the longing is blooming for you. I'm longing for you. And it's blooming, to bleat. Ich seh dich wie Itzter. I see you as if right now. Ballotten mit Blumen and full of flowers, holding flowers. A freudiger gehst du zu mir. A happy person, joyful, you come to me.
Good.
Good. Any questions? Okay, so.
Are we finished? Because I do want to
No,
say.
no.
Okay,
Claire, go. Continue, please, Claire.
Die Sonne hat vergossen dem Golden mit Strahlen. Sie sprotzt, hat die Erde sich in Grün. Mein Treuer, mein Liebster, wo bist du verfallen? Du gehst nicht heraus von mein Sinn. The sun came out, or moves out, vergossen. It's like to gießen is to throw water down, to pour.
Right. The
Okay,
sun
so
is
the
pouring
sun
out. It's
is
right.
pouring out,
Right.
yeah. Dem Golden mit Strahlen, okay, pouring out the garden and filling it up with Strahlen. How do you say Strahlen in English?
Rays. The sun's
Huh?
rays.
Rays, sun rays,
Rays.
ja. Sie sprotzt, hat die Erde sich in Grün. So the earth has
Crowded.
What? Crowded?
Sprouted.
Sprouted.
Okay. The land in green. So everything has turned green. Mein Treuer, mein Liebster, my dear, my lover, my love. Wo bist du verfahren? Where have you gone? Du gehst nicht heraus von mein Sinn. I cannot get you out of my mind.
Good.
I can't forget you.
Right.
Good. Thank
That's
you,
it.
Claire. Any questions? Any questions? No.
Montoya, is it Montoya? Where is that?
Chaya, mein Chaya, my beloved.
Oh, it does mean that.
Beloved.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, beloved.
Hilda, can you read it, Hilda?
Frühling nimmt zu mein Treue und bring mein Liebster, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling auf deine Flügel bläue. I think it should be
Oh, it's nem. It should
yep,
have put a comma there.
Okay.
Nem.
Nimm mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Springtime, take away my sadness und bring mein Liebster and bring my beloved, mein Treue zurück, my true one, bring him back. Frühling auf deine Flügel bläue, a springtime on your blue wings. Nimm mein Herz mit, take my heart with you, und bring es zu mein Glück, and take it to my joy.
Good.
Thank you. Bonnie, yes? Bonnie, you're muted.
Okay, this slide prior, the last word, I think is Zin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So how was that translated? I thought they said sun, so I was a little confused.
Mind.
Zin
No.
is mind.
Mind.
He can't get her out of his mind.
Mein Zin
Yes.
is translated my mind.
Mein
Yes.
Mind, du gehst
Yes.
nicht heraus von mein Sinn. You
Okay,
don't
I'm
leave
not
my
familiar
mind.
with that. Okay, thank you.
In other words, no matter where he goes, he wanders the streets, he looks
Yeah,
at the house. he
I just
looks at
didn't
the
know
gate.
Zin is
He
mind.
He can't forget her.
Okay, Dank.
Okay.
Who was singing it?
Yeah.
Ava,
In this version, it's Ava Alberstein. But if you go on YouTube, there are probably 15 or 20 different versions.
Beautiful. Very beautiful.
Beautiful.
okay, so, yes, I see that Fagel.
Yeah, the way I remember the word Zen, I don't know if this will help anyone else. I think of the word in English insane, you know, like sanity. So out of my mind is insane. It's the same.
You see,
Zen, it sounds like sense or mind.
du liegst sinnen. Du liegst mir in Sinnen.
Right.
Zin, right.
You're always in my mind. Du
Yeah.
liegst sinnen.
You are always in my mind. Okay. I tried. Okay, let's listen to Halva Halberstein. She sings better than me. Okay.
Ich plonge in Ghetto von Gessel zu Gessel und kenn nicht gefunden kein Ort. Nito is mein Liebe, wie trockt men a Riebe, Menschen sagt trotsch a Wort. Es läuft auf mein Heim itz der Himmel der Bläue, wo je hab ich itz der Fun. Ich steh wie a Bettler bei jedwitten Teuer und bettel a bissele Sonn. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Ich geh zu der Arbeit vorbei unser Stiebel in Treuer der Teuer vermacht. Der Tag erzählte die Blumen verwelkte, sie fjanen, vor uns ist euch Nacht. Vor Nacht euch zurückwächst es neue der Treuer, und da hast du liebster gewahrt. Und da in dem Schotten noch kennt ich dein Trottis, fleckst kuschen mich lieblich und zart. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Es ist Jahr der Frühling, gar früh angekommen, zerbliet hat sich Bänkschaft noch dir. Ich seh dich wie jetzt der Balladen mit Blumen, a freudiger gehst du zu mir. Die Sonne hat vergossen, die Welt heint mit Strahlen, zersprotzt hat die Erd sich in Grün. Mein Treier, mein Liebster, wo bist du verfallen? Du gehst nicht heraus von mein Sinn. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nimm mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück.
Okay, I see some people raise this hand. So Barbara, please.
Yeah, I may have asked this before, but you know, the music is very upbeat and it sounds like it has a tango rhythm. So could you tell me if this is originally composed by
Yeah.
Kaczynski, or was
Kaczynski.
this music already
Yes.
in existence
Yeah.
and he wrote the lyrics?
Yeah, he wrote the words, and Brudno must have been a musician of some kind. He
Oh,
wrote the
Brudno,
music.
okay,
They did it together
right.
in the ghetto, and as I said, I mean, and he performed it in the ghetto at a
Right.
concert. I mean,
Right.
it's heartbreaking, you know, to think about it, in the ghetto under Nazi, you know, it's and I think, I'm not sure, I think I saw in YouTube that there's actually a recording that he made in 1946. In other words, after the Soviets came and got rid of the Nazis, there was something that was established called the Jewish Historical Commission in Germany, in Munich. And Kaczynski was very active in gathering materials, about what the Nazis had done in Vilna. And I think he recorded the song in Munich for the Jewish Historical Commission. I may be wrong, but if you're interested, you can go on YouTube and try to figure it out.
Right.
Okay, thank you. Beverly?
Thank you.
Beverly?
Yes, Julia will help me, but in the ghetto also, Avram Suskova had a writers club.
Absolutely.
And Julia's favorite author, Chava Rosenfarb, writes that she was so honored to be accepted into that group.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
But I
yes.
don't remember which ghetto. Vilna or
No,
or-
she
I think it
wasn't
was
in Vilna.
Lodge.
I don't think so.
He was in Lodge
In
Ghetto.
Lodge,
Lodge. Okay.
right.
And she was honored to be accepted into that group
Yes.
while they were in the ghetto. So you can imagine what these people did and
Yeah.
for us to.
Okay, thank you.
There was a
Any more
video.
questions before we move to the story?
Yeah, I wondered about the video that you mentioned. I saw there was a video by Edward Frankel. Is that the one? That's a different one. It's got
A whole video? I don't know, but I
it's a
think
video with Russian and English and Yiddish.
Could you send us a link to that video?
Yeah, I'll send it
Yeah,
after.
please
I don't know
send-
how to put links into the chat, but I'll send
So
it.
if you send it to Beverly, Beverly will send it to all of us, okay?
Okay.
I'm
Beverly is the hub.
Listen, we have 28 people today. It's amazing. Fantastic group.
Okay. Okay, so let's move to the north of Canada. Yes, Julia, sorry.
Yeah, this song I know was very popular. And in fact, one of the places where I heard this song was in a movie of one of Edith Wharton's novels. And this song was the song throughout. And when I first heard it, I just thought, this can't be, but it was. It was, and I'm sure it was because it was just so much of a loved melody.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Julia. Okay, so moving to the north of Canada, when I chose the story, I wanted something different, a different experience than, the immigration patterns, to North America and to Canada. And that it's really completely different because it deals with farmers in the northeast of Canada. There were not many of them, but still there were between 5,000 to 7,000 farmers, Jewish farmers, I mean, that took the offer of the Canadian government to build a homestead and get land. Not many of them survived. Many of them moved to Calgary or to Edmonton. But this story gives us a feel of the life of a Jewish farmer in the northwest of Canada. So we started, last week we started just, 3 paragraphs that tells us about, that describes the weather over there. So we will continue from there, but I see Morty raised his hand. Yes.
Yeah, just a correction, Mina. It's not in the eastern part of Canada. It's in the Midwest.
It's the Midwest of Canada?
It's the Midwest, right north of the Dakotas, about north of the Dakotas.
Very bad in geography.
And
Sorry about
if you think that you've ever felt cold, you have no idea what that is.
I told you previously when I read the story, and I read it a couple of times, I had to put a sweater. I just got cold reading it. It was okay.
I will tell you, in Toronto, when I first came to Canada, weather was much harder than it is today because of climate change. But even in Toronto, sometimes with the wind, not the temperature itself, but the wind would go down to -40, -50. But having just the temperature being -40, -50, plus the wind, that's unbearable.
Okay, so let's go on and start reading it. Morty, you will start when you will start the first. So
Okay.
here it is. Traders Ed. We are in. Let me just go down. And
I
we
have to tell you that I read the story and I felt that it didn't end. I didn't feel it was ending. I felt that there was more to it.
more to it. Maybe the next stories. I just didn't read all the stories. I read
Yeah.
this first story about when, Traders Ed himself that trades in furs and whatever, but it was too many geographical places. And as you see now, I'm not
Yes.
very good at geography. So, so I said no. But
I'll
let's
help you
list.
with it.
So them talk. Morty, please.
Okay.
No,
Toch
them talk.
heb ik-
Yeah, okay, let's
Ja.
read it from.
Toch heb ik gedacht, fitteren de behemoths, doppelte portie high. That day I had to provide the cattle, the animals with a double portion of hay. Anzufüttern 50, 60 Stück Pferd in Behemoths von eingelegenen Steughai, wie man muss reißen mit Gewalt jeder Goppel. Okay. To carry 50 or 60 pieces.
I think that
No, 50,
Anzufüttern is too big.
to bring to 50 or 60 animals, horses and cattle, from one pile of hay, where you have to tear out with Gewalt. How do you
Force.
I think it's
with
force difficulty. Yeah.
with force? Yeah, in this case it would be force. Each piece of hay with a tool is nicht kein Spielchen. It's not a game. Es ist noch gewesen Tinkel. It was still dark wenn ich hab sie von Stall herausgetrieben. When I threw them out from the stable. Nicht gewollt heraus von der Warmkeit.
I should do.
They did not want to come out from the water.
Swallow.
Die melkedicke Behemoths haben mir in Stall gefüttert und gemolken. The milking cows we kept in the stable and fed and milked them there. Arim 11 Hazeger haben mir sie getrieben zum Wasser. At around 11 o'clock, we sent them away to the water, außer die Kälberdicke und die Kälber, except for those who were pregnant and the little calves.
Hi, who am I talking to, please?
Just a moment, please.
Okay, I was in and had a
Just a
hearing.
moment.
You're talking to me.
Huh? I'm sorry. Arim 2 Mile weit, about 2 miles away. The Frest sind in dem Winter gewesen, so eine starke. The frost was this winter so strong as the meiste Sloughs sind ausgefroren geworden bis zum Deck. Kein Brunnen, Wasser ist nicht gewesen, benimmt sie. That the meist, I don't know what meiste.
Most.
The most sloughs were frozen, became frozen up to the top. There were no holes of water in the nearness, nearby.
Minna, can you make this larger?
Larger? Yes, I can. Okay, is it too large? Or?
No, it's
I don't know if we got the whole thing there.
Yeah, that's what
Now it is. Okay.
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 Now you're back to.
Yeah.
That's
it
good.
runs away. That's
Okay.
good?
Es ist
Okay.
gut.
Good.
Es ist gut nicht gewesen, wo es mir kann nicht sein, zu treiben über einen tiefen Schnee zum Wasser auf 50, 60 Stück. It was nothing to be jealous about or envious about, to push over the deep snow to the water some 50 to 60 animals in a 40, 50 Grad unter Zero und noch mit einem Windel dazu. In a 40 to 50 degrees, this is Celsius, not Fahrenheit, degrees below zero, and even on top of that, a northern wind.
Okay, Morty, Morty, stop for a moment because people are raising their hand. Bonnie, yes?
No, okay, that was it. I just wanted to
okay.
sure.
Okay. Rafael, yes?
Yeah, at 40 below, centigrade and Fahrenheit are exactly the same. Fun fact.
Yeah, okay. Interesting.
Okay, and on the other side, 16 is 61. That's above zero. 16 degrees Celsius is 61 Fahrenheit.
Yeah. Okay, go on, Morty.
Einer hat getrieben, a zweiter ist mit der Schuh früher weg durchgehacken dem Eis. One of us was pushing the animals. The other one went an hour earlier to break the ice. Was es gewesen in 3 oder 4 Fuß dick, which was 3 or 4 feet thick. Hacken hat man gedarft a schmale und lange Öffnung. We had to break a small,
narrow.
A narrow and long opening. Gedei de behemoths stoßen sich, so that the animals would stand next to it, that when next to it, soll nicht reinfallen unter Eis, so that they would not fall under the ice. Und gedei wus mehr behemoths sollen auf einmal können trinken. And also so that the most animals could at one time drink, nor einmal in Tug, only once a day. Wenn die Hack hat der greicht dem Wasser, when the tool reached the water, sind die Spritzen wie harter Arbis, how do you translate this?
Sprinkles,
the flowing, the jumping pieces.
The sprays
were hard like peas. Zurück auf den Eis gefallen, fell back on the ice. Die Behemoths haben aber durch a dicken Eis nicht gekannt greichen durchs Wasser. However, the animals were not able to reach the water under such thick ice. Hat man gemusst herumhacken a Kanave, a poor fish arem. We had to break a channel about 2 feet around the opening, around the Öffnung, around the opening. Gringer zu machen für die Behemoths anzutrinken sich. To make it easier for the animals to drink, to fill up with water.
Thank you, Morty. Now we
You're
know everything about how to get behemoths to the water. Fagel.
Yes.
Yeah, back a ways back when there was that word Stoisendixe on the ice. There was,
Stoisendixe, yes, here.
yeah, I think it means like pounding each other, or like not just standing, but pounding or butting into each other. When they were butting into each other, they wouldn't break through the ice.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay, Michael Fissmann, can you continue? Ich hab sich stark geheilt. Geheilet. Michael? Where is Michael?
The
I thought
cursor doesn't
He's
follow.
still here.
he's not here. He was here before.
Oh, he's still here.
Michael? Where are you?
Maybe nature called.
Okay, so I'll get to him back. Refoil, can you continue?
Yes, I understood that Stuyssen, the animals pushing against each other shouldn't fall in. And that's why it was a long but very narrow trench. Anyway, I'll continue. Ich hab sich stark geeilt, fertig zu werden mit der Arbeit, was früher. I hurried very strongly to have finished all this work as soon as possible. Was es gewesen mein Yom, while this was my judgment day, der wichtigste Moment in mein Leben, the most important moment in my life. Hab gedarf fahren in Stadt stellen a chuppah. I was supposed to travel to the city to set up a marriage canopy, a chuppah. Der Tate und die Mama seinen schon kamat a Woche gewesen in Calgary.
Calgary.
Calgary. Okay, I'm trying to make it a Yiddish word. Calgary? Calgary. Fine. Calgary. There's no in Yiddish. Daddy and Mommy were already almost a week in Calgary, Great to prepare everything. Mostly should be Nor ich mit Bertzen haben allein besorgt, whereas I and Bertze had already had ourselves prepared everything. Und jetzt habe ich gemusst ihm allein überlassen, auf der ganzen Messles. And now I had to leave him by himself for an entire 24-hour period. Darüber habe ich gemusst doppelt füttern. And that's why I had to feed the animals a double amount. Doppelt Wasseren and a double amount of water. Unwarfen a Wogen hay, to fill up, to throw together a wagon full of hay. Mitzunehmen in Stadt, to bring it along into the city. Balchotch mefort zu der eigener Chasana, because even though one is traveling to one's own wedding, aber wie treibt man das a team Pferd mit Lediken? But how are you going to drive it's an English word, a team of horses carrying nothing? Nimmt man für ein Wegs mit der Wagen hay, you take for one direction of the travel a wagon full of hay. Agav helft es zusteher auf Chasana Hatzos. And anyhow, that will help it zusteher as a payment for the wedding expenses.
Go on another paragraph.
Sure. Around 12 Zeger, about 12 o'clock, this would be noon, seien die Pferde gespannt zum goldenen Wagen, zum goldenem Wagen. The horses were already bridled and attached to the wagon, which was already loaded. Gesegnet sich mit Bertzen, having said farewell to Bertze, ungesagt, soll Achtung geben auf alles, and had him promise that he should give attention to everything. Hitten die ovens to watch the ovens. Ausmelken nur die zwei frische behemoths, to milk only the two fresh new cows, und trinken die Kälber, and give the calves water. Ein Hund soll lassen beim Steig. He should leave one dog at what's a Steig here? Maybe it's a Steig.
I think it's the mound of A.
Oh, that could well be. Yeah. I'm just looking in my dictionary for Steig.
I'm not sure, but I think it is.
Yeah, a Steig is a cage, and a hold on. I'm not finding it in my dictionary. Okay, let's call it a haystack. Dem zweiten soll mitnehmen in Haus auf der Nacht. And the second dog he should bring into his house for the nighttime. Soll sein heimlicher zu schlafen, so that it would be more comfortable for him to sleep. Fort nicht allein. After all, Bertha would not be all by himself. Kurz, for sie haben sich stark lieb gehabt. Not to mention the fact that Bertha and the dog liked each other quite a lot. Aruf auf den Wagen und wir. I got up on the wagon and giddy up.
Giddy up. Thank you. What I just want to tell you, because you don't see it here, but it's later, Bertha is 11 years old.
Oh.
So 11 years old, and he has to do all these things by himself, and he's left by himself. So it tells you something.
So his name is Bear, most likely, and Bertz, and that "se" is an ending, a familiar ending.
Probably.
So it's Berl, Bertze. Okay. At first it looks like a woman's name, but it's clearly a lad.
No, it's a lad. It's a lad, but maybe it's Bear, and maybe it's a diminutive of something.
Usually the ending says is for a woman.
Yeah, but he's a lad.
In this case, it's a boy.
It's his nephew.
Yeah. Mariv, yes.
I wanted to double check. It sounds to me like he's not saying so that the dog would be warm. He's saying that bring the dog inside so you'll be warm, to help warm you up. But
that's
what
right.
is that pronoun? Is it about him or is it about the dog?
It doesn't say. It should be more comfortable to sleep, is all it says.
Okay.
So I understood that to mean Bertha will be more comfortable. After all, he won't be all alone. He'll have the dog, and they're actually good friends.
And the dog will warm him up.
Exactly.
Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Marty.
No, I was going to say the one that without the dog would be alone would be Bertze.
Yes.
Because the dog could always be with the animals or with the other dog, but Bertze would be alone without the dog. So it refers to Bertze.
Yeah, okay. Thanks. So Susan, can you continue the zone? What?
Die Zon hat wie durch a Schleier, so wie verschämt herausgeguckt. The sun, as though through a veil, looked out as though it was embarrassed, shamed, und wieder behalten das verneppelte Punem, and hid, and again hid its foggy face. Die Räder haben ausgesungen, hilchig, frostig, skrippendig Gesang. The wheels sang out, would it be like squeaky, hilchig?
Yes.
Creaky, frost, and frosty song. The wheels made a squeaky, frosty song as they rode, I guess. Die Pferd seien gegangen, trot by trot. The horses went step by step, trot by trot. Nur bergab is men untergelaufen zu Bislach, but to go up the hill, he would go a little at a time. Die Paare von seiner Noslecher hat gesetzt wie von a locomotive. The steam from their nostrils came out like from a locomotive. Formerendig ein Eiszeppler. Oh, forming icicles. Auf their lippen, on their lips. Un
Deckendick.
Bara.
No, it's a dalet.
But
Deckendick.
What is it?
But Deckendick.
Oh.
Cover. To cover. But Deckendick. It's a dalet, not a reish.
Oh, but deck. Oh, and covering up. They in ganzen mit weiß groen zudik, and they covered up completely with white gray cover. What is this white gray cover that they covered with? The snow?
Yeah, snow dust, you know.
Snow dust, okay.
Yeah, probably when they're running, snow dust is getting up. Yeah.
No, I think it's their breath which froze.
You think the pare?
Yeah, it's the pare.
The pare? Okay.
And what is Sudek?
Cover.
To cover.
Cover.
To deck and to cover. So to deck is cover.
The
noun.
Okay, so you say that it's the pare. Okay. So go on, please.
Ich bin gesessen, eingehielt in mein kurzen sheepskin, and I was sitting there wrapped up in my short sheepskin. Eingenuret in hay. Oh, and wrapped, covered with hay. Halten dick a sharp oig auf die Pferd, and keeping a very sharp eye on the horses und auf dem Weg and on the road, welcher hat sich geschlängelt Berg arauf, which very slowly went up the hill.
No, geschlängelt, I think it's, like a snake.
To snake.
Snake.
What is it?
To snake. It snakes its way up the hill.
Oh, it snakes its way. Oh.
Right.
Up the hill and Bargarup. Up the hill and down the hill. Nit oplosen dick the laces, and not leaving aside. What are the laces? I forgot.
Reins.
The reins.
Oh, the rain. Okay.
The reins. Someone is talking. I'm not sure who. And I cannot.
Earlier it was Brenda, but I don't know if it's now.
Maybe Julia? I don't know.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, it's Brenda.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. Thank you, Susan. Thank you. Karen, can you continue? בסך הכל?
Yes. בסך הכל ist do in ganzen Arum 20 mile to Calgary. In all, there's around 20 miles to Calgary. Aber mit Ashver gelodenem Wagen gedauert Aza Nisia 5-6 show. But with a heavy loaded wagon, it takes such a journey takes 5 to 6 hours. Zumediken Wetter is es kemat a Lust Reise. In summer weather, it is almost a
pleasure trip?
A pleasure trip, yes.
Yeah, thank you. Auf a frischen Wagen hay, on a fresh wagon of hay, über Gott's freier, greener, qualdiger prairie, over God's free, green, and rolling prairie. Anders is aber in a 50 unter zero. It's different in its but in a 40-50 degree below zero, mit a spielendig Winter, with a playing wind.
Playful.
Playful.
Playful, thank you. Was fehlt an dem wir mit deinem stechedicken Schneestäub, which fills the atmosphere with a thin, sharp snow dust, snow
drifts, maybe.
Yeah. Good.
Der piles of snow. Der Frost is gewaltiger Kricher und hat sich zu bisslich verkleiden unter mein Pelzel. So I'll just go back. The frost is a violent laggard crawl.
Kricher is to creep into, sleep into.
Oh, seeping.
Yes, seeping, good.
Crawling into me, and little by little, it got under my fur, my little pelzel, my little fur, and my shoes. Bis es hat mich heruntergetrieben von dem Wagen. Until it drove me from my wagon.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Because he had to move to get the frost out of.
Durchläufendig sie a paar Mile
running through, running the wagon through several miles, hab ich dem Frost vertrieben und bin zurück auf den Wagen. I drove off the frost and got back onto the wagon.
Yes, yes. Durchläufen dik sie, it means that he was running after the wagon, okay, wagon. So he was running after it, and then that's the way that he got rid of the frost. So, okay. Descriptions here are amazing. So let's continue. Beverly, can you continue?
Yes, angekommen kein Calgary, bin ich spät in Abend. He got to Calgary later in the evening. Putter geworden von dem Wagen hay. I got rid of the wagon of hay. Verfahren zum Bruder. I went to my brother?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Ausgespannt und besorgt mit allem die Pferd. I'm not sure what that means. Ausgespannt. What is that?
Unhook the horses.
Oh, unhooked. Oh, and okay, with everyone, the horses?
No, und besorgt mit alles. He just took care of the horses. He probably gave them water and the food.
Reingekommen dick is in Haus bin ich befallen geworden von aller Seiten. When he got into the house, he sounds like he passed out. He fell.
No, everyone like attacked him, or everyone.
Oh, okay. From all sides. People attacked him from all sides. Warum so spät? Why are you so late? Guckt nur an dem Farmer. Look, the farm. Is it an English word?
Yes.
The farmer.
Yes.
The farmer is looking at me. I feel it.
No. They are saying, "Cook nor on the farmer. Look at the farmer."
Just look at the farmer.
You're right. Yeah, just look at the farmer. I feel it. Suzanne Hasene is spät. He's even late for his own wedding. Die Kala hat schon die Augen ausgeguckt. The bride was already, her eyes were looking around. Tata Mama, seinen stark umreich, the mother and the father of the bride are very nervous.
Or his father, or mother, we don't know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. The father and the mother are very nervous. Umreich. Sie hat nicht wieder Azure auf den Weg passiert. Maybe a terrible thing happened on the way.
No. That's I don't know how you say it in.
It's unazoi weiter.
Unazoi weiter.
Oh, I see.
How do you call this one in English?
Etc.
No. The two.
Olives.
The two this ones.
What?
Inverted commas.
The inverted commas, yeah, but it has another name.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, maybe Refoil.
Yeah, quote marks. But I also wanted to point out that it's an interesting point of grammar. If you're worried that something might have happened, something dreadful, you always put it in the negative. Es hat nicht wieder auf den Weg passiert. So that's why there's a nit in there. It's always trying to relieve your own worry by saying it hasn't happened.
God forbid.
It's like when you're counting.
Yes, you say
nicht eins, nicht zwei.
Right.
The same thing.
Yeah, I think
it's similar. It's similar.
It's similar. Okay.
Bis mein ältere Schwester ist zugekommen mit a Geschrei, until my older sister came over with a scream. Was seid ihr ihm befallen wie die Heischeriken?
Eicheriken. Locust. It's locust.
Oh, why did you fall on him like the locusts? Lass ihm gehen, sich herumwaschen. Let him go so he should wash himself. Sich übertun. He can change his clothes. Lasst ihm kommen zu sich. Let him come to himself. In other words, give him a little break.
Exactly.
In ein halber Stunde, in 1/2 hour, bin ich kamat wie in a parts
Verwandelt.
in a half hour, I'm like a king. Verwandelt geworden in Chevre. Oh no, und Chevre haben mich weggeführt zu mein Schwester. In a half hour, the friends took him to his sister. Dort hat bedarf sein die Chasana. There will be the wedding will happen. I didn't realize he's getting married. I thought he's doing the wedding.
No, he's getting married.
He's the chusson. But has he met her? Has he ever met her?
Yeah, he met. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
But he said that it is Yom Adin for him. That's the day of judgment for him.
Right. Oh my.
That he's getting married. Thank you, Beverly. Yes, Marie.
I think the point is that even on his wedding day, he has to get up and take care of all the animals and do all the work before he can even.
That's the point, yes.
He can't leave them alone for even, he's working, leaving them 24 hours with the son, right?
Yes, exactly. They need to eat, they need to drink, of course.
11 years old?
What?
He's 11 years old, you said?
No, his helper is 11 years old. He's not, he's getting married, so hopefully he's more than 11. Okay, Marsha, that's your paragraph, Marsha.
Platz hab ich der sind die Gruppe Ständler coming to the place. I saw the Gruppe Ständler, the canopy stalks.
Yes.
Das hat mich verdrossen. It made me angry. Was heißt befährisch ungesagt. It's befährisch is clear, explicit.
Yes.
And that's what I said.
I clearly say. Es
is
viel. Als ich will.
Als ich will und darf kein Chuppah nicht. That I don't want to be a Chuppah. I don't want a Chuppah.
Yes.
Ich will nur absagen dem Hiri.
Arei at
und Schoin. I'm saying this and that's it.
Yeah, the arei at is arei at mekudeshet li. That's the saying when you get married.
Okay. Schoin. Ich will kein will nicht. Ich will kein Fall nicht gehen unter dem Chuppah. I won't go under the canopy, the marriage.
Yes.
Chuppah. Weil can meine
no, it's like English.
I have it here.
Prinzipien.
The principle.
So
right.
just a moment, because I say
principle.
Yes, it's against this principle. So just a moment before you continue. Yes, Elaine.
Was heißt? what is was haste? I thought haste means my name, you know.
What's going on? What's
What's
going on?
going on?
It's
What's
the
What
same.
he
going
was
on?
talking
Right.
about.
Like, what do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do
So
you
it's the
mean?
same verb as ich haste.
It's
No,
the
no,
same
no.
word, right?
It's the same word, yes.
In this
Okay.
context, because it's against its principles to go under the chuppah. Was haste? What do you mean? You expect
Okay.
me to go in the chuppah?
Yeah.
Okay.
He
Got
told
it.
them. He told them that he
Right.
doesn't want to do it.
Okay,
Okay.
and Kegen.
Against.
Oh, against. Okay, I knew it's.
It's
Okay,
against
thank
his
you.
principles.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Marsha, go on.
Was sich ungeheuben a neue Tummel and it started a new riot. Der Kalle hat sich ungeweint.
Geweint.
Ungeweint, she was
It's a
crying.
vein.
The Kalle was
Yeah.
crying.
Yes.
Tate Mama haben sich ungeblasen. The father and the mother were pouting or pouting.
They became angry. They became angry. Yeah.
Schwester, Bruder haben sich an nem getan zu mir von aller Seiten. The brother and sister got to him from all sides. Deine Principe, your principles, to lieb deine Principe, darfens, Scheppen,
Verschaffen. Verschaffen, Tate Mame.
Verschaffen, Tate Mame, Oisfield, Ekma. For your principles, you have to upset the father and mother so much. Ekma nefesh, and nefesh is soul. Ekmar is Ekmar. I got it written here.
No, Agmis Nefish.
Okay.
Agmis Nefish.
Agamit Nefesh. So much grief, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Nefesh. Where am I now? I forgot where I am.
Hier. Under
Under
Kalle
Kalle.
arbeitig.
Kalle hat sich.
Under Kalle, the second line. Under Kalle.
And the Kalle hat hartsvetig. And the Kalle felt heartfelt, you know, her heart was upset.
Yeah, sorrow for the Kalle, yeah.
Es wird dir etwas abkommen, als du wirst gehen unter dem Gruppe. And it will come to you that you will go under the.
Will something happen to you if you will go under the Chuppah?
Okay. Sei nicht eingespart und mach nicht kein leitisch Gelächter. Don't be so stubborn and make a leitisch laugh. Leitisch Gelächter. What would that be, leitisch?
Actually, I'm not sure how to translate it. Maurice, Rafael?
Leitish is respectable. I don't know what she means.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
I don't know what it means. Don't make fun of things.
Maybe that's what it is.
Maybe give a proper laugh or something.
Maybe don't make fun of things. Yeah.
Ein leichtes Gelächter.
Zeig deinem Prinzipe das Wohl and you know, go ahead with it. Don't go with this principle this time and do what you
Yeah.
gotta.
Lose your principle for this time. Don't.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I see people raise their hands. Susan?
Well, it's clear that they don't want a traditional wedding, and this is not being done by a rabbi, but I wonder who is conducting the ceremony, but because probably religious people would not have gone to this farm community, they wouldn't be able to do what they needed to religious wise.
Yeah, probably.
What would it
But
be?
we don't know. We don't know. It doesn't say if there is a rabbi or anything. They don't say. Yeah, they don't say. Morty? Morty, you're muted.
Muted. No.
Still muted.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Sorry. Yeah, I was going to say, remember that the wedding is not in the farm, is not carried out in the farm, it's in Calgary. And in Calgary, there were plenty of rabbis and plenty of Jews and plenty of communities. So I'm pretty sure that the situation here is simply that the wedding was carried out, but was probably done by a rabbi or a cantor or somebody. The problem is that the guy, the groom, was not religious and did not accept religion as part of his life. And that's why he was complaining that his principles did not allow him to go under the chuppah. Now, in regard to the next to the last sentence, sei nicht eingespart in mach nicht kein leidiges Gelächter. I think that what the person or the brother or whoever is saying to him is, don't be stubborn and don't make light of these things.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
Louisa and then Fadel.
Yeah,
Louisa?
and thank you. I was going to say that it sounded to me like don't make a fool of yourself, perhaps.
No.
No,
Okay.
no.
And on the other question that you had, would it be an acronym when you say una soy weiter? Oh, I'm sorry.
Acronym, that's it is. That's what I was looking for, yeah.
Acronym? I'm sorry.
Acronym. Yes, that's what I was looking for, yeah.
The name of the lesson, what's acronym?
I have a
I am
question
with
on
you.
that. Anybody who's good with English grammar, when you say, for example, and I'm not implying that this is the same situation, but it just stayed on my mind. So una soy weiter would be an acronym. How do you describe it when you say, for example, can't with an apostrophe or don't with an apostrophe? How do you describe that grammatically?
That's a contraction.
Contraction. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I was missing that word in my mind.
Can you explain how that phrase is an acronym?
Yeah, I'd like to.
Una soy weiter.
I'm not sure that, yeah, I'm not.
No, that's not an acronym.
Not an
No,
acronym.
because an acronym is like an abbreviation.
Yes.
Like IDF or
Right.
CIA.
It
So
says
No,
it says
more like
abbreviation.
sonar. It's
right,
an acronym that
sonar,
becomes a word.
right. Because it's an acronym, right? Each letter
Radar,
stands for
sonar.
a word, right.
Or it
Like stuff
says
like that.
abbreviation formed from the initial letters of other words and
Right,
is pronounced
scuba.
NASA.
Like
Right.
FBI, RCA.
No, FBI is not an acronym because it's not, people don't go around saying FBI. But they
Right.
do say scuba,
Sonar.
self-contained underwater
Scuba.
breathing
Yes,
apparatus.
yeah.
It's an acronym is a word that's formed
Well,
from an
NASA
abbreviation.
NASA would fit into that.
FBI is yes, it would actually. But FBI would be just an abbreviation.
Okay. So what is it? It's an abbreviation? What is it?
Say it again.
So una soy weiter.
And so
So it goes.
and
So,
so on.
yeah,
And
this
it's
I
like
know,
a
but
saying. It's like a
It's a
the saying
Sprichwörter.
I understand. I
Sprichwörter.
don't. How do you call the word itself with
Grammatically, what is it?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I want to know.
it's an
I
expression.
I just think it's
Yeah.
a Sprichwörter.
An
It's really
expression.
it's
Just
just
an
an expression.
expression.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so it
Expression.
goes.
What is
And
Okay.
so
it about
and
et
so
cetera?
next.
It's like et cetera.
Actually, it
Und
means
so weiter.
literally means and so next.
Okay. Okay. I
know.
just wanted to
Weiter.
know, yeah, the grammatically what it is. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Steve. Feigl and then Louisa. Feigl.
Learning,
Back to that Leitish Gelächter. I'm looking in the dictionary and it does say that sein auf Leitish Gelächter means to be a public laughing stock.
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Good.
very
Oh, that
good.
makes
Thank you.
sense. That
Thank
makes
you.
sense.
That makes
Is
sense
that
a lot.
Wagner? Is that Wagner?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
look at how used it is. It means that she uses it a lot. That's wonderful.
I use it all the
That's
time.
wonderful. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Louisa. Yeah.
I think that what's happening is that in English, those acronyms are made with proper names, usually belonging to an organization or something to that effect. But it may be that because in Hebrew there is a tendency to put together the beginning letters of different expressions and put those inverted commas together. And this is what's happening here. It's very common in Hebrew, isn't it, Mina?
Yes, it is. That's why.
Like, for example, if you have Artzot Abrit, for example.
Yes. That's, but I just didn't know how it is in English. Yeah.
So
But in Hebrew,
yes, but so excuse me. So what happens is that it is the concept of an acronym, even though in Hebrew it doesn't refer necessarily to proper names. It refers to sometimes to expressions like last year, right? Bashana She'avra, or Im Yirtzeh Hashem, for example. So those are used because they're so common. These are expressions that are so common in Hebrew. So Rashei Teivot is really what
exactly. Yeah.
Rashei Teivot.
Okay.
So let me look up Rashei Teivot because that
how
is
it is. Okay.
that is the word in English. For
I'm
Rashei
not sure if and correct me forgive me if I'm incorrect about this. I think you're confusing colloquial expression with the I've forgotten the word already in English. Showing
an acronym for the proper name.
Right. So like FUBAR is a common thing in the Army. You say FUBAR, and it's an acronym because it is actually the first letter of each word, fucked up beyond all recognition, or snafu, situation normal, all fouled up. You know, those have become words that aren't a colloquial expression. They're words that represent a sentence.
Right.
As opposed to saying, let's hit the road, which is a colloquial expression, you know, that people understand. It means let's get going and get underway rather than let's go out and smack the road with our fist, which is something you would have to say to get that. You would literally have to say that in Hebrew or Yiddish in order to get that expression, you know, and nobody would understand it anyway. So that, you know, colloquial expressions are shortened phrases that mean more. Sometimes they're what's the word I'm looking for? You know, like when something is overused, a common expression that's overused.
A cliche.
Yeah, now I'm having trouble with English. Thanks a lot, guys. But you know, so yeah, cliche. Thank you. Like it can be a cliche, but it may not be. But a colloquial expression is a way of expressing a lot of meaning with either words that don't exactly mean that, or a way of saying something more complex in a simple way. That's a colloquial expression.
Like
the other way.
How about hold your horses?
Sure. I mean, that's a cliche. It doesn't really mean anything more than, like, you know, slow down.
Oh yeah. Well, I said it in Yiddish. I said halt deine Pferden.
I have no idea. I don't know if it's if it switches over to a
Yes, now.
similar meaning.
Okay, I found it in the dictionary. So so for the English for Rashi Teivot is initials or abbreviation. So the word is it's an abbreviation. The concept is an abbreviation.
Right.
In
I was
Hebrew-
yeah. Yeah, I was
in
going to say that in Hebrew. Oh, are you done?
In Hebrew, it's very common then to have abbreviations like that.
But when you read them, like you usually read them as the whole word.
Right.
Like when you see the abbreviation for Artsot Habrit, you don't say the abbreviation. If you're reading something, you understand it as Artsot Habrit. No?
Yeah, but you know, if you have, what about etc. in English? You have etc. And you know it is etc. It's
That's
etc.
abbreviation.
It's an abbreviation.
Abbreviation.
Right. The only difference is that in Hebrew, because of the structure of the Semitic language, it is taking Rashi Teivot, which means the first letter of the word. And then it becomes another abbreviation, an abbreviation. That's what I'm saying.
Right, but the difference between abbreviation is that an abbreviation takes certain letters to mean the whole word, and you give it as the letter. FBI is not it's not. I mean, it's certainly similar, but it's not the same as scuba, which is
You're right.
which is representative of a collection of words that have formed into an entirely different meaning.
You're
Most
right.
people know what a scuba gear is, but I'm the only idiot that remembers that it's a self-contained underwater breathing apparatus, because
I thought it's a
unfortunately,
word in itself, you see.
yeah, right. That's
It
the whole
is a
thing. I
word
mean,
in itself.
It has
is.
become a word in
Who knows
itself.
what laser means? Every day,
Light
every day.
activated.
Light
Light
applied
activated.
emitting something or other.
I mean,
Right.
the whole world is laser, but you know,
This is fascinating.
Okay, so we
radar,
conclude.
sonar.
Radars
conclude
too.
that the word
Radar,
is,
sonar, yeah.
Right.
so we conclude that the word is abbreviation and not acronym. So the
Okay.
dictionary.
etc.
That's an abbreviation.
Siam said.
And a soy weiter means etc.
How do you say Genook? Genook.
Yeah.
It means I gotta
Okay,
go.
yes.
Dankeschön, Paula.
Okay, we will finish here and we will continue next week with the same story.
Gesund, shalom.
Seid gesund. Seid gesund.
Since it's not an easy read, we will read it next time as well. So,
Great story.
okay.
Sehr gut.
Great story.
Okay. Sei mir alle gesinnt. Bye.
Bye. Bye.